AP Chemistry, Unit 9.6, Free Energy of Dissolution. So spontaneity describes if a reaction will take place without external forces, not whether or not it will happen quickly. Exothermic or negative delta H and positive entropy, positive delta S, reactions are going to be favored, meaning that they will happen spontaneously. The larger the value for the Gibbs free energy or delta G, the more a reaction will favor the products, meaning the more the reaction will actually take place and occur. Steps for how solids dissolve within water. Note this is for ionic solids. We're going to have a breaking apart of the solid by overcoming the electrostatic forces between the ions. This requires energy, and so our delta H value will be positive, but our overall disorder of the system, or our entropy, delta S, is going to be positive. Step 2, we're going to break apart the solvent, which is the water, by overcoming the hydrogen bonds. This also requires energy, so the delta H value will also be positive, and disorder is increasing in this step as well, so we are going to also have a positive delta S value. For step 3, we're going to have a formation of ion dipole forces between the ions and the water molecules. This is a formation of bonds, and so our delta H value will be negative. We are going to be overall decreasing disorder, and so as the ions are forming their new ion dipole bonds, we are going to have a negative delta S value. And the overall enthalpy of the system, the overall delta H is going to account for if the reaction is going to be endo or exothermic.